soon as they turn white. G'day and welcome back to G'day Kitchen. Today we're doing a Sunday barbie, Australian style, Aussie style. We're doing some nice tomahawk steaks. Today's ingredients that I'll be using for my Sunday barbie is some nice Spanish garlic, some white onion, beautiful ox heart tomatoes, some sea salt, some beautiful fresh thyme from the garden, and of course a good quality olive vita extra virgin olive oil, some black cracked pepper. Our star of the dish today is some beautiful gorgeous looking tomahawk steaks, which are a ribeye, and they are a grass-fed steak. I believe they're a bit more tastier than the grain-fed, and it's all preference really at the end of the day. So these tomahawk steaks are the most tender prime steak you can get on the market. This is the spinalis. The spinalis is the most tender part of the actual ribeye, and they're succulent and juicy, and that's what makes them a star prime cut. So let's get started. Okay, so what we need to do is also some salt on the back of the rib, and that ensures it to render it down. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? Beautiful, medium rare, nice. Okay, they're ready for plating up now. It's on a slow cook, so they should be evenly cooked. Looks good. We're all plated up and ready to go. Thank you very much, guys. That's my tomahawk medium rare barbecue on a Sunday barbie.